Pamilya kanya, karibal na. Kung sino pa ang tinrato mong kadugo, siya pa ang nagiging karibal mo. Nakaka-relate ka ba? Kasi ganito rin ang nangyari kay Aimee. Aimee and her husband run a water refilling station. Marvin handles the equipment and the deliveries, and Aimee manages production and the customer orders. Kaya nag-hire sila ng isang station operator na walang kaalam-alam, zero experience when she started. So tinuruan siya ni Aimee from scratch on how to operate the machines, how to schedule the deliveries, how to handle the regular customers and keep them happy. So they worked side by side almost every day. They talked over lunch, they checked on each other, and Aimee even looked out for her family whenever something came up at home. Para na siyang kapatid. So when she came in one day and handled her resignation, sabi niya, may personal na pong dahilan, ma'am. Tinanggap naman ni Aimee, mabigat nga yung kanyang kalooban pero okay lang. Binalikan pa niya ang lahat ng kanilang magagandang alaala. So a few weeks later, a regular customer casually mentioned, ay yung operator mo pala may sarili na siyang water refilling station sa kabilang barangay. Aimee could not find the words, no? The hardest part, she knew everything. Alam niya yung mga supplier contacts, yung presyo ng mga equipment, how to set up quickly and correctly, and because Aimee had taught her all of it. Not because she was a bad person, but because there were no boundaries in the training. No matter how close they had become, anak, may lesson dito. And eto yon. Your love for your employee does not protect your business. Closeness does not protect business knowledge. And so, always keep in mind, pagmamahal at proteksyon ng negosyo, magkaibang bagay yan, ha? So let's be business-minded, Pinoy. Still doing everything yourself because you just can't trust anybody else to get it right? Anak, ang problema hindi yung team mo. It's that no one ever showed you how to grow them. Grow Your People Pinoy is a book that gives you a simple step-by-step framework for hiring, training, and leading a team that actually works. Without the burnout, the drama, or the endless, sige na, ako na lang. Because your business will only grow as much as your people do. Kaya get your copy now, anak. The link is in the comment section.